Alright, what's up guys? It's Dane Visuals here, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Homeika Cordless Vacuum. So we have the brand new package right here, so let's just go ahead and open this up. Alright. Alright, so first of all right here, on the box itself, we have some instructions as to how to use each individual piece. Looks like it comes with a lot of pieces actually. So we have smaller, more detailed instructions right here. We have the main piece. It's green. I actually like this color a lot. I love green and black, but I still think green and white looks really nice. All right. Oh, and it looks like what they do is they basically give you pieces that match. So all of it's gonna have this green look pretty much. Additional hose piece. Okay, this looks like the battery pack right here. I'm gonna give you guys some closer looks, but for right now, just taking out each individual piece. All right, this looks like the vacuum head, which I'm gonna take everything out once. And this is the charger right here. Let's see what's underneath. Okay, so this definitely comes with a lot of pieces. Let me just take them all out and lay them out here. I'll take everything out of these bags. All right, so this is my absolute first time opening this package. So this is gonna be my initial impressions. I will definitely do a follow-up video to see what I like, but I can definitely say off rip, I love how this handle feels very sturdy. It looks like it can function as both a handheld vacuum as well as a longer piece that you can use on your floors. This is the filtration system. It's gonna be really fun putting this together with you guys, because I guess from here I can actually see how difficult it is to actually use for a beginner, since I have no prior experience setting this up. All right, so now that I have all the plastic off the pieces, I can give you guys a better look of what everything looks like. So straight out, showing it to this camera since this is a nice view. All right, we have it here. So this is gonna be for your floors. Nice swivel function, really sturdy. Has some wheels here so for ease of use. Loving how it feels. I'm also seeing some brush fibers right here. I guess should help with like suction and sweeping at the same time. Okay, this is the extender piece, I guess, when you're using it for when you're attaching it to this. So I think this is going to enable you to have it like a longer, regular looking vacuum. But it seems that it does come with the ability to be used as a handheld vacuum and to also go into really small spaces. So something I really am excited about for this is the fact that it has a lot of different options. So I guess it's just about customizing it to how you want to use it. Let's see how to set this boy up. Okay, instructions look fairly simple. Let's see if I can check to see what. All right, so I'm gonna insert the battery inside just to see if it has any power currently. Should be inserted something like. Okay, all right, battery snaps in pretty snug. Okay, nice. All right, what I like about this so far, just off the first use, is the fact that the battery indicator right here, the screen looks really nice. It basically pops up once you turn it on. Let's see if you guys can see. And once you press it once, it stays on, so you don't have to hold on it. But let's finish our setup before I actually go into any kind of use. You basically just insert the filter into this end piece right here. All right guys, so I just basically finished going through this instruction manual. I did a pretty good crash course just a second ago, and I have to say I'm really impressed with how simple it is to use. Most of the features on this can be accessed by just a press of a knob. So I guess it's made for fairly simple use. The first thing I noticed is that all these attachments can be taken off with a quick release knob just by pressing a button. It's fairly simple. So once you decide which brush or which system you'd like to use, you just basically attach it on. So this one right here is, I guess, a floor brush. So you can just go ahead, turn it on. It not only provides suction, but it also can be used as a brush as well. And then to take it off, you just basically press one button right here and it's off. This brush right here just basically can be used for really tight spots. So if you're trying to get in somewhere really tight, then you can just insert this into really small spaces. But yeah, this one right here is definitely for like those smaller, harder to reach places. And it's gonna be a lot easier to do since you have your hand that has most of the access to this right here. Take this off. This now is where you basically, let's see. Oh yeah, right here. So you'd attach this here, and then attach this here, and now you have a literal floor vacuum, and it also has the ability to be extended. So this is really cool. It really gives you a lot of options in terms of how you want to clean. So it's really customizable, and I'm really big on that. And then this piece here had me confused for a while, but this is basically what gives you the option to mount it on your wall. So they gave you a wall mount, which I think is really great. This now is just gonna be an easy way to store it, because I was a little bit concerned about storage. I guess you can put all the additional parts in a particular area, but with this now you can just hang it wherever you want, in your kitchen, wherever you usually keep your cleaning utensils. So just commenting on the design, I think the design is really nice. It looks really cool. I love how futuristic it looks. I love that it has a vibe like something you'd see in a modern home. It's not giving old vibe, it's giving new modern home. Very good for like persons that love simple, sleek, techie designs. I'd say just find a nice place to store these. Just from this alone, I think this is gonna make like a really big convenience for me. The ability to use a vacuum is just, you know, a lot easier. And it looks like just cleaning and storage will also be a breeze, because I'm gonna take this piece off right now.